Okay, buddy. Let's see. There is absolutely no way all of that fit. Yeah. Honey, he had another blowout.
All right, girl. Let's see what special surprise you have for mommy today. I think I can do this. There. Goodness, you are your father's daughter.
Honey, is it supposed to look like this?
Like what?
Like, I don't even know how to describe it.
What is that? A bead?
How did you make so much? You're not even on solids yet.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, the smell.
Nope. Guys, double.
Just gonna grab a few of these. We're just gonna do this, okay?
Oh, no. Thank you. Ugh.
What are you doing?
I really don't want to touch it.
Wait, which one of you did I just change?
Okay, I think, okay. All right, okay.
Okay, this stuff's gonna make your tushy so soft and you're gonna smell so fresh. I'm glad you two agree. Okay, I think we're solid. No pun intended.
All right. How does that feel? So soft, right?
Raise your hand if I changed your diaper. Nobody? Oh! That feels so much better, doesn't it?
We did it. Okay, buddy. You've got the cleanest, softest bum of any baby. At least for the next 30 minutes. Oh, maybe another?
We've had a blast teaming up with Mistela on this fun video. As a mom with kiddos with sensitive skin, these products have just been amazing for our household. My son has severe eczema, and the products that we've been able to use are just fabulous. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the Mistela products, be sure to click the link in the description below. Be sure you are subscribed to BabyLeague, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.